Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy Speak Lab. I'm Ryan, and today I'm feeling a bit tight.
Tight? You mean your schedule is busy, or is it that shirt you're wearing?
It's the shirt, Sophie. I bought it yesterday, and I think I made a huge mistake. But we will talk about my fashion disaster later.
I can't wait. Hi, everyone. I'm Sophie. Today, we are going to the mall. We're learning how to find what you need, how to talk to staff, and how to survive the fitting room.
Exactly, because let's be honest, in a foreign country, a clothing store can feel like a maze. You see a beautiful jacket, but then you think, how do I ask for a smaller size without sounding like a robot?
Or worse, how do I tell them I just want to look around and I don't want their help right now?
That's the most important phrase in English. Okay, family, imagine you walk into a store and a very friendly shop assistant comes to you and says, "Can I help you find anything?"
Usually, I just panic and run away, but what is the polite way to say, I'm just looking?
You just said it. "I'm just looking, thanks." Or even better, "I'm just browsing, thank you."
Browsing, like on the internet.
Exactly. It means you are looking casually. It's the magic shield that stops assistants from following you.
I love that. I'm just browsing. Okay, but what if I actually need something? Like I see a cool t-shirt, but I need a different color.
Then you use the power phrase. Do you have this in, for example, do you have this in blue? Or do you have this in a medium?
Listeners, notice the rhythm. Do you have this in? It's fast and smooth. Ryan, say it one more time.
Do you have this in a small? Now, Sophie, imagine you find the shirt. What is the next step?
The fitting room, the place of truth. But wait, sometimes I can't find it. Should I ask, where is the dressing room?
You can say dressing room or fitting room. Both are perfect. You ask, where are the fitting rooms, please?
And then the person at the door asks, how many items?
Items. That's a great word. It just means pieces of clothing. You can say, just these 3 items, thanks.
Okay, family, stop the video right now, go to your wardrobe, pick your favorite item, and write in the comments, do you have this in your favorite color? Let's see who has the best style.
I hope nobody says neon pink like my shirt yesterday.
Speaking of your shirt, part one is almost over. Ryan, are you going to tell us what happened in that store?
Okay. In part 2, I'll tell you about the time I got stuck, literally stuck, inside a slim fit sweater and a security guard had to help me.
A security guard? Ryan, you are a disaster. Family, don't go anywhere. Part two is coming with Ryan's biggest nightmare.
Okay, family, we are back, and Sophie is still laughing at my tight shirt situation.
I can't help it, Ryan. A security guard? Please, tell the story. I'm ready with my popcorn.
Fine. It was last winter in London. I saw this beautiful dark green cashmere sweater. It looked so elegant. The label said medium, so I thought, perfect, that's my size.
But let me guess, it wasn't a normal medium.
It was a super slim fit medium. I went into the fitting room, I pulled it over my head, and suddenly, darkness. My arms were up, my head was stuck, and the fabric was like a snake around my neck.
Oh my God, did you try to pull it off?
I tried, but the more I pulled, the more it tightened. I was jumping in the fitting room like a crazy person. I shouted, "Excuse me, I'm stuck. Can someone help me?"
I'm stuck. That's a great phrase for our students, but maybe not in a sweater.
A security guard had to open the curtain. He looked at me, shook his head, and said, "Sir, you need a large, or maybe an extra large." He had to pull the sleeves while I wiggled out. It was so embarrassing.
Okay, let's use Ryan's pain for a lesson. Family, when something doesn't fit, what do we say?
You say, it's too tight or it's too loose. Tight means narrow, loose means wide.
And what about the size? Can I say, could I try this in a larger size?
Exactly. Or, do you have this in a size up? Size up means one size bigger. If you want smaller, you say size down.
Size up and size down. I love love those. But Ryan, what if the clothes are fine, but the price is crazy? Can we bargain in London or New York?
In a big mall? No way. If you ask for a discount at Zara, they will think you were joking. But in a local market or a vintage shop, you can try.
How do we ask? Do we say, give me a lower price, please?
No, that's too aggressive. Try, is this your best price? Or can you do any better on the price? It's polite but firm.
Is this your best price? I'm going to use that everywhere. Now, Ryan, let's talk about the most difficult part, returning something.
The refund mission. Imagine I finally bought that green sweater, but when I got home, I saw a hole in it. I have to go back.
Do I say, I want my money back?
You could, but it sounds a bit angry. The pro way is, I'd like to return this, please.
And the shop assistant will ask, do you have the receipt?
Receipt. Listeners, look at the spelling. There is a P, but we don't say it. It's receipt.
Receipt. Got it. What if I don't want my money back? What if I just want a different color?
Then you ask for an exchange. Say, I'd like to exchange this for a different size or color.
What if I lost my receipt? Am I in trouble?
Usually yes, but some stores give you store credit. It's like a gift card for that shop only.
Store credit. Better than nothing. Okay, family, have you ever bought something and realized it was a disaster when you got home? Maybe it was too small, maybe it was a weird color. Write, I returned it or I kept it in the comments. Ryan, I bet you kept that green sweater as a trophy.
No, I gave it to my cat. It fits him perfectly.
A cashmere cat. Only in Easy Speak Lab.
Okay, we've covered the fitting room, the size up-down rule, and the refund exchange drama, but we are not finished.
We aren't? What's left?
In part 3, we are going to learn about sales and clearances, the best words in the world, and we are calling our friend Marco from Italy to talk about the art of window shopping.
And don't forget the speaking challenge.
Of course, I'm ready if you are. See you in part 3, family. Welcome back for the grand finale, family. We survived the slim fit disaster, we learned how to get a refund, and now it's time for every shopper's favorite word, sale.
Oh, I love that word. When I see a big red sale sign, my heart starts beating faster. But Ryan, what is the difference between a sale and a clearance?
Great question. A sale is usually a discount for a short time, but a clearance means the store wants to get rid of everything. They are clearing the shelves for new items. That's where you find the best prices.
Clearance. I'm writing that down. And what about buy one, get one free? I see that a lot in London.
We call that BOGO. It's a classic. But be careful, Sophie. Sometimes you buy 2 things when you only need 1. It's a jungle trap.
Guilty. I have 5 blue shirts because of BOGO. But wait, we have a guest today, right? Let's call my friend Marco in Milan. He is the king of fashion.
Mamma mia! Ciao Sophie! Ciao Ryan! Are you talking about shopping? Perfetto! In Italy, we don't just shop, Sophie. That is boring. In Italy, we do fare le vasche. We walk up and down the main street. We see everyone. Everyone sees us. It is a parade, not a chore.
Marco, tell our students what is the best way to enjoy shopping without spending money.
And it is all about the window shopping. You look at the beautiful windows, you dream, but you keep your wallet in your pocket. Allora, remember Marco's rule. If a suit does not fit you like a second skin, don't you dare buy it. Quality over quantity, my friends. Ciao.
Quality over quantity. Thanks, Marco. Ciao.
Window shopping. I do that every weekend. But Ryan, back to English. What if I find something I love, but I want to know if they have more in the back?
You ask, do you have any more of these in stock?
In stock. That sounds very professional. And if they don't?
Then it's out of stock. They might say, I'm sorry, we are sold out.
Oh, that's the saddest sentence in the world. Sold out. Okay, family, it's time for the Easy Speak Speaking Challenge.
This one is a bit difficult, but you can do it. I want you to go to a mirror. Imagine you are returning that green sweater I talked about. Say this out loud. I'd like to return this because it's a bit too tight. Do you have a receipt for a refund?
Say it 3 times. Once like you are sad, once like you are in a hurry, and once like you are the boss of the store.
And tell us in the comments, what is the most expensive thing you ever bought? Was it worth it or was it a mistake?
I want to know. Maybe someone bought a golden car. Anyway, family, thank you for joining our shopping fever today. You are now ready to conquer any mall in the world.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for episode 8. We're going to the doctor, and it's going to be painfully funny.
Keep practicing, keep smiling. Bye-bye.
See ya! And remember, check the size before you pull it over your head.